Good morning, Marians.
Good morning, SMC. We are the eyes
The ears.
and the news. This is News SMC Patrol. This is Gian Franca.
This is Jesper Agnon, ready to serve you the truth and nothing but the truth.
This just in. College engineering students under chemistry tackles about metallurgy.
Wow, fascinating. In other news, students of BSCE 1A are enjoying their class in chemistry with Dr. Jose Marie of Dinaria.
I heard this information you said, Mr. Tagnong, is true. Well, to start off, we have Mr. Cales to give us the headline news.
Good morning, Mr. Franca and Mr. Tagnong. I am here today at the factory where heavy steels are made. I heard that this process is called metallurgy, perfect for engineering students. Now we have Engineer Lagura to explain the whole process in the simplest way.
Hello students, I'm going to explain how metallurgy works in the simplest way possible. So what is metallurgy? Metallurgy is simply the production of metals in which processing the ores to extract the metals in their purest form. Metal manufacturing has been a major emphasis of metallurgy. The process of extracting metal from ores is the first step in the manufacture of metal, which also involves mixing different metals to create alloys. Well, have you heard about blast furnace? Well, it is where metallurgy happens. First, the ores are crushed and grinded into a fine powder in a process known as pulverization. After that, we will remove the impurities from the ore in a process called ore dressing or concentration of minerals. Then, we will extract the metals from the concentrated ores, and lastly, impure metals are refined or purified.
Mr. Cales,
Yes, Mr. Franca.
can you ask Engineer Lagura what is the importance of metallurgy? For the sake of those student viewers for additional knowledge.
Engineer Lagura, can I ask you a question?
Sure sir, what is it?
What is the importance of metallurgy?
Wow, great question. I'm glad to answer that question. Well, metal manufacturing plays an important role in the industry because metals are the backbone of the engineering industry, being the most important engineering materials in a process called metallurgy. This gives us a pure metals that are sturdy and durable. In a process called metallurgy, this gives us pure metals that are sturdy and durable for their uses. That is why this process is very important not just for us, but for the whole economy.
Well, being an engineer would be very exciting profession. I want to be an engineer right now.
Well, you can be an engineer, Mr. Tagnong. You just need a high determination and a passion for it. Thank you, Mr. Lagura. And Mr. Cales, thank you also.
For those engineers out there, don't lose hope. Just keep fighting.
You're right, Mr. Tagnong. After that educational information Engineer Lagura shared, I'm sure that many of those viewers would want to be an engineer. Well, that's it for today's news. This is Gian Franca.
This is Jesper Agnon,
Your eyes,
your ears,
your news. This is
News
SMC Patrol.
Now for this summary, metallurgy is an art and science of extracting metals from their ores and modifying the metals for use. Metallurgy usually refers to commercial rather than laboratory methods. It also concerns the chemical, physical, and atomic properties and structures of metals and the principle by which metals are combined to form alloys. Also, metallurgy is defined as a process that is used to extraction of metals in their pure form. That's the end. Thank you for watching.